Hello everyone, I am Umar, and in today's video I am going to be telling you my learning of ML, which is machine learning. Before this video starts, I would like to say that I was completely inspired by a video made from Google Cloud Platform, where a lady named Dale teaches you how to make your own machine learning models. Now, let's get into it. So you must be asking, what is machine learning? And the answer to that is machine learning is like feeding a machine information, so that way the machine can decide what to do. And in today's project, I will be making it where a machine figures out that if a person is wearing a mask or if it's not. To start making your first model and all of your models, you will need a computer with a webcam and internet. Now, you will want to go to the link that I'll put in the description, the first link. It will be teachablemachines.withgoogle.com. Now, once you get to this page, you want to click Get Started. Once you get here, you can select a post project, an audio project, or image project. In today's video, I'll be doing an image project. So, right here, this is what you should come to. It will say Class 1, Class 2, Train Model, and Preview. So, you can name this class whatever you want. I will name it Mask. So what you want to do now is you want to click webcam, and it should have your webcam right here. Now you should take pictures with me of the mask. You should also move around while taking these pictures, so you don't have to sit still at the one spot for it to scan. Okay, that should be enough. So now you'll click this X and you'll go into the next class. So I'll name this No Mask. Take off my mask and just take some normal pictures. Move my face around and make different expressions. You want to keep the amount of images pretty much equal, so if you have too many mask pictures, then it'll be hard to detect no mask. Now you want to click Train Model. So basically this is training your model, so it will take some time. You should not switch between tabs while it's training your model. You can click Advanced to see more about what's happening when you're training your model. My model is nearly done being trained, and yep, now it is trained. So you want to put the input on. If it is off, then it will not be checking your camera. So you want that to be on, just in case if it's not on. As you can see, it shows I have no mask on because I'm not wearing a mask. Now I'm going to put on my mask, and as you can see, it says 100% on the mask. And when I take it off, it's no mask. So that's really how easy it is to make your own model of machine learning. So now if you want to share this model with your friends, you'd click Export Model, and you could click Upload. And right here it would say Upload Model, so I've already clicked it, so I already uploaded it. And this is your shareable link, so you can copy it. And then you can send it to any of your friends. So for example, if you go into the link, it will put you right on this project. So as you can see, it's just loading up the project. No mask and mask. So that was my project. I hope I inspired you to do something new today. And as always, please like and subscribe because I'll be making more machine learning videos. Bye!